Wu trying to rough up Sanchai. Oh! That's it!
Tulis attacking the Vise.
Oh! Showboating.
A really aggressive start from Wu. Both southpaw here. Wu trying to rough up Sanchai. Oh! That's it! That's it! The head kick from Sanchai closes the show. Time. As soon as Wu stepped in, he just whipped it out right there off of his weaker foot. Off
The hips is an anecdotal sign of fatigue, right? That's
a little bit wobbly there.
Yeah.
And it's still got a...
Oh! Huge!
Whoa!
Sits
Whoa!
out!
Whoa!
Antunes takes the win!
Got to keep your hands up. It's an elbow.
Really, the elbow. Yeah, it even got closer than the forearm.
To his feet, however, the guts and determination as he gets lit up by Parnas. Unbelievable resilience by Kenneth Cross. And what a first round. Yeah, Cross is trying to brawl with Parnas. Oh, what a body shot! And the body shot did it. And Saladin Parnas.
Told no by referee Niels Bursken, but still nice to see.
Fast legs.
Yeah, tit for tat on the kicks here. Oh,
Ooh, good right hook lands. Tulis attacking the Vise.
Oh! Showboating gone wrong. Showboating gone wrong.
What?
decent really.
I mean that. Oh, it's just a peach of a shot.
หมัด 1-2 ของบั้งไฟพิฆาตแข้งขวาสาดขวาคืนมาวงในปะทะงัดศอกเสียบเข่าซ้ายครับบวกหมัดจังหวะออกหมัดน่ากลัวเลยครับบั้งไฟพิฆาตแข้งซ้ายสวนด้วยหมัดมีบวกศอกฟันศอกทำท่าล่นเลยครับโอ้นับแล้วนอนแบบนี้ไม่น่าจะลุกไหวครับศอกนี้ก่อนหรือเปล่าครับจังหวะเปิดฉากไปแล้วเมาแล้วก็สับเข้าไปอีกทีนึงครับโอ้ยเนี่ยต้องไม่ตกใจครับโอ้ยเพราะว่าช้อนนี่มาหนักโอ้ยซ้ายลำตัวโอ้ยศอกขวาโดนบนไม่เท่าไรครับแต่ฮุกซ้ายลำตัวนี่คือซิกเนเจอร์นักมวยต่างชาติเลยโอ้โห
ไปเลยหรือเปล่าครับโดนตรงไหนครับบริเวณพัดดอกไม้ครับจุดที่บางที่สุดของ
ไว้สนามระบบบงกลคิวซองมาได้ระบบบงกลครอมแทงมาได้เจ็ดจุ่มกุ้งช่วยดูลมาได้อัดในเดสตุกกราวลางมาต่อการบงกลบังวิช่วยสนามระบบสวรรค์นามาได้เตียระบบบงกลคิวตั้งไปแต่นะระบบบงกลครอมปีตีก็มันเข้าผิดตัดตีมวยได้โชว์มาคือวิโยพี่
มัดมาได้เจ็ดปีฉลองไปมาได้ปีได้ไปเร็ววันเจี๊ยบไปได้บนไหนไปเร็ววันเจี๊ยบไปทงตักโจไล่มาเร็ววันเจี๊ยบโจไล่โจจับมัดมาได้เจ็ดไปเร็ววันเจี๊ยบมัดมาได้ปีเร็ววันเจี๊ยบไวมาได้พิเศษฉลองไวมาได้ไปเร็ววันเจี๊ยบมัดมาได้ปีได้ไปได้บนไหนปรามได้
Both fighters have been landing their twos from ortho, those rear right hands, cleanly and heavily. From Anthony Groves, and that drops Tommy Jungle.
His face is busted up. I don't think he's getting up. From the other angle, landed flush. Grubbs has that power to put body blow by Ngannou and another one. Lance. And down goes Lins. Lins is laid out. The Predator has just recorded his 14th knockout. Francis.
жеткізудің бір қашықтығын амалын таба алмай жүргендей тым алыстан
жолдырады қазір тоқтату керек
дәл өзінің қаруымен қағып жүрді қараңыздар осы соққыны енді сәл құлаштай ұрса да
кикбоксингルールなんでね
ナイスカーフ
いきなりローキックいってますね林恭平
両膝のシュートを終えてから浮きしてのリング左のカウンターいいパンチがありましたね伊勢選手ね
そこでやっぱパンチをパ
ンチでダウンノックアウト
ナイス左フックでしたね2回とも 1,2,3 でこの左フックこれまあ本当にいいカウンターの
មកកូនក្រហមសុខហៀងមួយជើងទៀតរបស់សុខហៀងអ្នកកណ្ដាលទាត់ស្ដាំមួយដៃឆ្វេងស្ដាំអ្នកកណ្ដាលមួយកណ្ដាលទាត់ឆ្វេងក៏ដាប់ដៃបាទមួយជង្គង់ឆ្វេងបាទសុខហៀងក៏ដាប់ដៃមួយជង្គង់ឆ្វេងសុខហៀងក្រហមបោះទៀតបោះមកជង្គង់ឆ្វេងបាទរោសរសើរទៅបានរោសរសើរមិនបាន3គូនេះលឿនជាងគូមុនទៅទៀតទស្សនិកជនបាទជាមិនលឿនមិនអេលីតសុខហៀងចូលមកបាទមុនទៅ
លីប៊ីដាចូលទាត់ស្ដាំទាត់ឆ្វេងចាក់ជង្គង់ទៀតតែបងវល់កោះកែងចាក់ជង្គង់កោះកែងចាក់ជង្គង់កែងខ្ទប់មួយកែងអត់ចូលចាក់ជង្គង់សើមហាជង្គង់ទៀតអូចាក់មួយពេលលីប៊ីអូយបាទចូលម៉ាំងស្អិតនេះថែមួយទៀតទៅលប
Point. Yeah. So the first round, the 10-9 for Anderson Santiago. Not a 10-8. Good knee. Oh, big right hand! Equilibrium buster and down goes Kongpatum for a second. Never mind, it was an uppercut. Another right hand, and this time surely it is. It's done. Second round knockout. Anderson Santiago, who gets another win here tonight on Thai Fight League. Over to... Looking very composed. Good kick to the midsection return by Surin. Elbow. And why not if it works? Yeah. Into the clinch we go once again. Oh, good elbow. Beautiful elbow! And I think he was semi-unconscious before that left kick came in. And it's lights out. Going down as that left kick came in. But once it caught him...
อยู่ด้วยหัวใจต่อยซ้ายจับแล้วตีฟ้าเพชรถึงตัวครับทีบอยู่นอกนี่อันตรายเอาโอ้โหโดนจังหวะ2ครับจังหวะ2ครับเสียหลักวุฒิการเดินโอ้ยจับแล้วครับวงในโอ้ถึงตัวครับโอ้โดนเข่ากระทุ้งเข้าไปครับ그래서
결국에는 패를 꺼내지 못하고 케이지 중앙으로 왔습니다.
카운터로 걸렸습니다.
Fighters talked about drawing out each other's counters. There's the left hand, there's the counter. Sawyer DP! And DP's not moving.
And you could hear the crowd when they saw that punch.
Broken record, but
Good like that.
Yeah.
Follow up that with the right. Oh my God.
Oh! Well, Millender landed a little shot.
Oh! Big count, and this one's going to do it! Claudio Barrow continues his flawless knockout streak! Shoulders under.
It was a clean right hand.
There's another one. Oh, the right hand.
Back. Oh, and that right hand landed beautifully. He follows up for more. He's getting greedy for it. Rastika jumps back up on it. The right hand lands immediately again. It's found a home, and there we go. Not sure he's going to be punch. It was aimed for, timed, and looked for.
Nogueira is certainly a very seasoned competitor. A late change. Normally fighting a little bit lower. Oh, there was a huge right hand. Never mind any of the odds. Never mind any numbers. This one could be over in seconds. under 20 seconds, and Nogueira is floored, Will Jr.
Oh my goodness. What a right hand. And what a finish. There we go. First round knockout in under 30 seconds. Yuri.
さあ蹴りを払っていくのは根本圭吾。そしてお松はロックにかかるか。再び首相撲。この首相撲の攻防もしびれますね。これね、伊勢選手。
お松選手肘狙ってます、ね。
キックを打っていくのは、根本圭吾。右。いいパンチが入りました。最後のこれフィニッシュシーン。
最後はストレートが。
右のストレートが顎を捉えました。
He punched Kazak.
And then with the tip.
Has got to try and take Alicia out early. You're not going to outbox someone. Beautiful left hand. Exactly what we're talking about. Hand placement is key here, Ali.
Yeah, he was just looking and feinting right there. There's another left hand, and down goes Wintonu. The referee's seen enough. That was 40 seconds into the first round.
Card's going to be needed.
Big shot there. Jancy Silva trying to come out aggressive, but St. John's got contact. St. John turns up, and Sam Burgos is going to reset.
All right, you ready?
Is he giving him another chance?
I like what Burgos is doing here.
Big shot. Travis St. John is down.
It's over. It's over. Oh my God!
One of the wildest fights in dirty boxing history.
Oh my gosh.
ជើងទៀតពីដែននឹងបួតត់ជើងក្រោមតត់លើសងវិញពីដែននឹងបួលួបមួយដៃអូយរាប់យ៉ាងណាអត់ទេមួយដៃនេះលោកអញ្ញាកណ្ដាលលោកឃើញស្ថានភាពជាក់ស្ដែងនៃការប្រកួតបាទអូ
In round 4, still kind of been going the same way it has since round 1. Yes. Delgado outworking and really trying to smother him up. But there's a body shot right there. I mean, might have been a little foot tingle with the slip.
Delgado's trying to sell it.
Yeah, it's that body. It's that body shot. It's that
Visit the finish.
And that was the finishing one right there. It was a right hand down to the body.
Elbow shot. Yeah. 15 seconds left. Have a look at this.
He's got him. He's got him.
Will he run out of time? He's got to hold the rail here. Zach Shelley has the moment of his boxing life in front of him, but the bell might save David Moreau.
Too much time to recover.
Left hand from Zach Shelley.
Jump on him now.
This is the school teacher from Fulham. The people left with right hand Shelley, and again, the school teacher from Fulham has won it inside the last 35.
Как обладатель крапового берета. Это хорошо. Начинают оба. На маятнике как работает неплохо Дмитрий. О, жестко попадает как Сергей. Там, по-моему, начинает уже подплывать потихоньку, да. Дмитрий и Сергей оформляют нокдаун.
Răng nè, môi trường tiếp, thẻ tranh môi tiếp, lúc sẵn ám về song, tọt chơi khám, ai ui, ha.
ទាត់មួយជើងទៀតពីអាមេរិនញញឹមដាក់គ្នាលោកមួយដៃពីអាមៀទាត់ជើងក្រោមលោកអាស្ដាមមួយពីអាមេរិនអាយ40វិនាទីទៀតទាត់មួយជើងទៀតសមដៃវិញដៃធូហើយកង់ធូកង់ហើយ10មិនអាចទេគេយកអាវងតាវាពួតទឹកតាទៅទាត់ឆ្វេងពីហ៊ីសាមតែទាត់កាត់តឡាក្រោមទាត់សងវិញពីសង្ហៈសង្ហៈថាវាយអីវាយយកក្បែរធៀមបាក់ថ្មិញទៀតអត់ទេគាត់ឆ្វេងស្រាវដកដៃគ្នាអូយឲ្យតែដកដៃគ្នាអាយ៉ាដកក៏ដាប់ដៃគ្នា1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 អូចង់លេងណាតែមកឆ្ងាញ់ណែពោះទឹកម្លឹមមម នៅតារាចូលទៀតអាយ៉ារបស់ម្ចាស់ស្ដាំរបស់ម្ចាស់ឆ្វេងអាយយចង់អត់ស្រួលនេះអោស្ដាំមកមួយទៀតបោះជង្គង់ពីសៃណេតទាញមកកែទៀតអាយយយ៉ាងម៉េចហើយឆ្វេងមកមួយទៀតចប់បាត់ហើយបាទលោកអាយុរាប់សិនណែដើរចូលទៀតអាយ៉ាមួយទៀតឆក់មកមួយបាទបោះជង្គង់ឆ្វេងទៀតយកគ្រាបោះបន្ទប់កន្លែងនេះទប់នៅកន្លែងនេះកែទៀតអូយបញ្ឈប់ការប្រកួតហើយការតស៊ូរបស់កីឡាករនីមួយៗគឺខុសគ្នាកុសលផលបនទាំងអស់ខ្ញុំធ្វើបានបាបកម្មទៅលើកដល់ប្រទាំងអស់ចឹងទេបានណាលឺសៃដេអបអរសាទរបាទដល់ឡើងទៅ Extreme Cambodia គុនខ្មែរ